Hi everybody, Charles from Twiddy and Company here. I'm here in the newest subdivision in Corolla. It's called Pine Island Reserve, and I'm in front of ER008. It's called Mariner's Compass. It's going to be an 11-bedroom oceanfront. If you want a vacation in style, this is the home for you. I'm here on the 3rd level of Mariner's Compass. As you can see, awesome panoramic ocean views from the deck. The deck is also going to feature a screened-in porch area. Inside on level 3, there's going to be the kitchen area, complete with a dining area. And also there's a great room and 2 grand master suites. Here on level 2, we've got 5 master bedrooms, a rec room, and the theater room. Here at level 2, Mariner's Compass, again, splendid views of the ocean. I'm here on the 2nd level deck of Mariner's Compass. One of the greatest aspects of this home, or any Pine Island Reserve home, is in addition to the awesome ocean views you get at these homes, on this deck, which faces the Sound, you get a complete view of the Sound. This is the interior of level 1 of Mariner's Compass. I'm here in front of a double-sided fireplace. Also on this floor, something I really like, we got a pub room, complete with a bar. There's also 4 master bedrooms on this floor and a den. Poolside at Mariner's Compass, I'm standing inside the oceanside gazebo. Behind me is the private pool. It's got a swim-up bar area, very nice. It also has a shallow kiddie pool for the young ones, and there's an outdoor dining area. Let's take a quick look at some of these nice features. So as you can see, this house is coming along really nicely. Again, it's ER008, Mariner's Compass. I advise you to go to our webpage, twiddy.com, and check out the page for this home. This home's got so many amenities, I've probably left out a couple. Something I should note, it comes with a personalized caretaker. You got beach cabana services, concierge service. This house comes with all the fixes. So go ahead, get this house booked before it slips away from you. Thanks a lot, guys.